How to start a uniform business. How to start a uniform manufacturing business. What is the best uniform business plan? Let's proceed further. Uniform is itself a different kind of identity, and its usage automatically shows the purpose of using it. Each stitching business sector gives the identity to the stitch-able products through the color, style, and name before launching in the market, no matter where and how the item will be utilized. After the advertising formality through various sources and platforms, the product will become popular, and accordingly, the people will come to know regarding its utilization. Similarly, the workers who work for a particular manufacturing company or any service providers give them identical identities, in which workwear for women, workwear for men, is one example. In another way, it is even called a uniform. Usually, its usages are mandatory while performing any organization's employment duty, and it does implements during the assigned period. Furthermore, some of the other stitching sectors like a hospital, police, and military-based, high school, corporates business are mainly utilizing the uniforms to describe the nature of business and duties. The hotel businesses are also counted within the uniform sectors, where most suits, coats, and skirts are used. Every business person and corporate industries also utilize all these things according to their position or job profiles. The uniform manufacturing companies do not produce like other large-scale garments making companies, because these products buyers use to place the orders based on their number of employees or team member, which have been seen usually in less quantity. Mostly, the uniform manufacturer knows this particular sector's potential and accordingly establishes the business with a few industrial stitching machines and equipment. Further, you must follow the business plan, through which you will get complete assistance for starting any stitching business or stitching unit. If you plan for the uniform manufacturing business, decide first whether you like to produce a particular uniform or all kinds of uniforms. In the meantime, you will have to figure out an approximate daily or monthly production capacity, because the number of sewing machines, equipment, and manufacturing area will be needed accordingly, and it will also influence your budget. The uniform components are shirts, formal pants, polo t-shirt, shorts, pants, and skirts, which play a role in schools, hotels, hospitals, corporate industry, and police, military zone. To start your business journey, you will have to connect with the school sectors to get easy orders for a uniform. After that, you may also focus on corporate and non-corporate industries. Uniforms categories and machine requirements. School uniforms. Hotels uniforms. Hospital uniforms. Corporate uniforms. Industrial uniforms. Police uniform. Military uniform. Moreover, while starting a garment stitching unit, you need essential machines and equipment, like fabric, cutting table, vacuum table with iron, fabric cutting machine, and related accessories. Types of clothes and equipment. Shirts long sleeves, shirt short sleeves. If your budget is bothering you, you can start working with a basic industrial stitching machine initially. You may use the basic overlock, single needle, button attach, and buttonholing machine for the shirts. In any way, an advanced sewing machine model can be added whenever needed. Pants. If you want to produce pants, first decide the pattern style, because if it is simple pants, you don't need to buy initially specialized stitching machines. However, you may also use some of the garments machines models for the shirts made. Even, you can utilize most of the stitching machines for multi-purposes. Skirts. Making skirts is simple if you follow the right sewing machine and equipment. The waistband elastic attached machine is one of them to make the skirts, along with other stitching machines, in which you may even apply the snap button attaching machine. Sometimes the different folding plates attachments are used for the designing look. You can make any skirt from all the following machines. Coverall. The coverall makes the procedure a start from the shirt sleeve to the last part of the pants, i.e., the bottom is sewed simultaneously without any break. For this application, the best stitching machine model is a 3-needle feed off the arm, which uses along with other sewing machines to give the final figure to the coverall. Further to know machine and equipment details for uniform making, please visit www.stitchingbusiness.com. Thank you.